Making a beautiful wall decor. Make a round pattern and cut. Fold your paper like this to make a paper leaves. You can cut a design like this or use a sticky notes that have a pattern like this. Then put it around the circle. Starts to put the leaves around the circle and make your own design. Add a colored stick around the circle to add your creativity. Put a paper flower at the center to make it attractive. Get a piece of colored paper and cut like this to make a flower and attach it on the stick. You can add colored balls made up of styro to make more attractive. Attach it on the stick using a glue. Take a look at the finished artwork. It appears fantastic. Well done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.